Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Hyundai Sonata, active, stock reference number 5698. This shape runs from the 10th month 2014 through to the 1st month 2020. It has a G4 KJ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4 KJ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, bonnet has no damage, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, tidy rear boot lid cover, cut out for the tow bar, factory tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Boot lid has no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, or boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.